These creatures are perfectly adapted for survival, honed by millions of years of evolution. They've developed unique hunting strategies and defensive mechanisms to thrive in diverse habitats. Some blend into their surroundings, while others use camouflage to ambush their prey. They exhibit fascinating behaviors like guarding their eggs and building nests. But what truly sets them apart is their incredible venom. These snakes possess toxins so potent they can immobilize prey and defend against predators. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that sends shivers down spines: deadly Dossier, the world's most venomous snakes. Let's get started now. 1. The inland taipan, the silent killer. Deep in the heart of Australia's arid interior lies a creature so venomous, it earns the title of the world's deadliest snake. This shy reptile is rarely seen by human eyes, preferring the shadows of red sand dunes to the spotlight. Why? It's fittingly named the inland taipan, a title that hints at its elusive nature and formidable power. Number 2, the king cobra, the feared ruler of the jungle. Now let's venture into the lush rainforests of Southeast Asia, where a formidable predator reigns supreme. It's the king cobra, aptly named as it's the longest venomous snake in the world. These majestic reptiles can grow up to 18 to 20 feet, 5 to 6 meters long. That's as tall as a full-grown adult. Imagine encountering a snake that long slithering through the underbrush. The sheer size alone is enough to send shivers down anyone's spine. But the king cobra's reign of terror doesn't end at its impressive length. It's also one of the most venomous snakes on the planet. Its venom contains neurotoxins that attack the nervous system, causing paralysis and respiratory failure. And a single bite can deliver enough venom to kill 20 people, or even a full-grown elephant. That's how powerful this snake is. These magnificent creatures are known to build nests and guard their eggs. This behavior is rare among snakes and showcases the king cobra's unique instincts. However, if provoked, it can turn from protector to ruthless hunter. When threatened, the king cobra rears its body high, spreads its hood, and lets out a chilling hiss. This iconic pose is a warning, a signal that this snake is ready to defend itself. Its fangs, which are hollow and grooved, are designed to inject venom directly into its victim's bloodstream. And unlike some other venomous snakes, the king cobra doesn't hold back when it strikes. It injects its entire venom sac in one go, ensuring a lethal dose with every bite. In ancient cultures, the king cobra was revered as a symbol of power and immortality. It was worshipped, feared, and studied. People believed that its venom held secrets to eternal life, leading to practices like the snake and the monkey dance. But let's be clear, the king cobra is not a deity. Right? It's a highly venomous creature that demands respect and caution. If you ever come across one of these majestic yet deadly serpents, remember to stay calm, back away slowly, and admire it from a safe distance. After all, we're just visitors in its domain. No. 3. Sea snakes. Ghosts of the ocean. Let us shift our focus from the terrestrial to the marine realm and unveil another group of venomous snakes that haunt the depths of our oceans: sea snakes. Among them, the Belcher's sea snake stands out as one of the most venomous creatures on our planet. Yes, you heard it right. This tiny snake packs a punch with venom hundreds of times more toxic than that of a cobra. Just a few milligrams can bring down an adult human. Now imagine stepping into a warm ocean and feeling the gentle caress of seawater on your skin. You're surrounded by vibrant coral reefs teeming with colorful fish. Suddenly, a dark shadow glides past you. You turn to see a sleek, slender snake with a pair of menacing eyes staring back at you. It's a Belcher's sea snake. These snakes are notoriously shy and non-aggressive, preferring to steer clear of humans. Most bites happen accidentally by fishermen or divers who disturb them in their natural habitat. It's important to note that while sea snakes are incredibly venomous, they are generally docile creatures. Unless provoked, they won't attack humans. Instead, they spend their days hunting other sea creatures. Sea snakes are carnivorous, feeding mainly on eels, fish, and other small marine animals. They have special adaptations to survive in the ocean. Their streamlined bodies make them excellent swimmers. Their paddle-like tails help them navigate through the water with ease. However, despite their grace in the water, they face threats from human activities. Many sea snakes wash up on beaches after oil spills, entangled in discarded fishing nets, or suffering from plastic ingestion. Sea snakes, like many other marine creatures, are innocent victims of our actions. We can't stress enough how crucial it is to protect our oceans from pollution and overfishing. These venomous creatures play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our marine ecosystems. By preserving their habitats, we're not just helping them, we're safeguarding our own future. No, for the Green Pit VIP, deadly camouflage. Next, are we going to delve into the dense tropical forests of Asia, where a master of disguise lurks among the foliage. It's the Green Pit viper, a snake that seamlessly blends with its environment, making it nearly invisible to the untrained eye. This serpent's scales shimmer with shades of green, brown, and yellow, perfectly camouflaging it against leaves and tree bark. Its body, flattened from above and somewhat pointed at the tip, allows it to move swiftly through the undergrowth. But don't be fooled by its seemingly harmless appearance. The Green Pit viper is one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. Underneath its captivating scales lies a sinister secret, a venom that melts flesh and disintegrates bones. Just a small amount of its venom can be fatal to a human. What makes this snake particularly insidious is its preferred hunting technique. It waits patiently, almost motionless, until its prey comes within striking range. Then in a flash, it strikes with lightning-fast reflexes, injecting its deadly venom into its victim. Once bitten, its prey is doomed. The venom takes effect rapidly, causing agonizing pain, swelling, and internal bleeding. Soon, the victim succumbs to the venom's horrific effects. If medical help is not immediately available, the chances of survival are slim. The Green Pit viper is not just a deadly assassin, but a silent one. It strikes without warning and kills with precision. It's a ghost among the trees, an unseen menace that haunts the Asian jungles. No. 5. The black mamba, Africa's nightmare. Our journey takes us now to the heart of Africa, where danger lurks in the savannas and the dreaded black mamba awaits. Named after the dark pigment found inside its mouth, this snake earns its fearsome reputation every day. It's known as the death shadow of the savanna, and for good reason. The black mamba is not only one of the most venomous snakes in the world, but also one of the fastest. It can reach speeds of over 12 miles per hour, 20 kilometers per hour, covering distances of 100 meters in just 10 seconds. Imagine the terror of being chased by this snake with its sinuous black body weaving through the tall grass. The black mamba's venom is a potent cocktail of neurotoxins that attack the nervous system, causes paralysis, respiratory failure, and eventually death. Without access to antivenom, a bite from this snake can claim a life in as little as 20 minutes to a few hours. But it's not just its venom that makes the black mamba so feared. It's also known for its aggressive nature. Unlike many other snakes, the black mamba doesn't hesitate to strike repeatedly, delivering multiple bites in quick succession. It's a relentless predator, striking fear into the hearts of those who encounter it. If you ever find yourself in the African wilderness, be cautious. Don't provoke the black mamba. Admire it from a distance and respect its place as the undisputed queen of the savanna. Number 6, the copperhead. Finally, let's turn our attention to North America, where the copperhead snake silently stalks its prey. This serpent is not as venomous as some of its counterparts in other parts of the world, but its venom is still deadly. The copperhead's venom contains a potent mix of compounds that cause excruciating pain, swelling, and internal bleeding. Although fatalities are rare, the consequences of a copperhead bite can be severe and long-lasting. What makes the copperhead truly insidious is its ability to camouflage itself perfectly. Its copper-colored pattern blends seamlessly with fallen leaves, making it almost invisible to the human eye. This is especially dangerous considering how common copperheads are in North America. They thrive near human settlements, sometimes even hiding in gardens or bushes. Imagine stepping outside your home and unknowingly crossing paths with a copperhead snake. It's a terrifying thought. Copperheads are masters of disguise, lurking in plain sight and striking when least expected. Well, folks, we've come to the end of our journey through the world's most venomous snakes. Remember, these creatures aren't just evil. They're marvels of nature. Their venom, while dangerous, has also played a pivotal role in medical advancements. It's a reminder that even in the darkest corners of nature, there is beauty and potential for good. Thanks for joining us today. Till next time, stay curious and keep exploring.